Is it the world's largest undeveloped gold project? We're speaking with the CEO of Seabridge Gold today, Rudi Fronk. Thanks so much for joining us on Kitco News. It's our first time meeting, speaking. Welcome to the show.
I've watched you on my screen for many years. It's a pleasure to be here.
Now you're part of the screen, Rudi. Welcome. So let's talk about Seabridge. Why hasn't this come under my radar before? The world's largest undeveloped gold project. Where have you been, Rudi?
We've been working diligently at KSM since 2006. We acquired this project in 2000, and for the last 11 years now, just keeping our heads down, getting the job done through engineering, permitting, and now moving towards a production decision.
So how many ounces do you think you're sitting on? And let's talk about the jurisdiction also.
Yeah, and we're in British Columbia, right next door to Pretium Resources that's building a mine there right now. We're sitting on reserves of 39 million ounces of gold and 10 billion pounds of copper.
Wow. And this makes it the world's largest undeveloped in mineral reserves, right?
As measured by reserves, correct.
So what are some roadblocks? Like, what's the next chapter for you here? What are your plans for 2017?
So this is a project that we've agreed very early on that it's beyond our capabilities to build. It'll be the largest mine ever built in Canada, one of the largest in the world, and it's going to require the involvement of a major mining company as a joint venture partner to develop this asset. So our next step is to find who will be our partner to develop the mine.
And I read this, KSM got the green light by the federal and the provincial government 2 years ago, correct?
Yes.
And it was only the second metal mine in 5 years to get this approval.
Correct.
How'd you do it?
Worked hard. We started the environmental assessment process in 2008. We've completed a pre-feasibility study in 2012. We filed for environmental applications in 2013 and got the green light at the end of 2014. Throughout that 7-year process, we worked very closely with the provincial regulators, the federal regulators, the US regulators, and all the indigenous people to get them on side for the project. At the end of the process, they all endorsed the project and we got the green light.
So when do you think production will start here?
When we find a partner, and then probably 5 years of construction after that.
Do you have partners that you're choosing amongst, or are you waiting for a phone call here, Rudi?
No, we've had active dialogue for a number of years now. We have turned down joint venture proposals. Our view on a joint venture is that the terms trump the timing. It's more important to get the right deal with the right partner than a quick deal. And we're going to be patient. I started the company 18 years ago. There's no gun to our head saying we have to have a partnership in place now. It'll happen when it happens with the right terms.
While you're focusing on Canada, you're also looking at expanding in Nevada with the Snowstorm project?
Yeah, Seabridge was created at the bottom of the gold market from 1999 to 2002. When the major companies were selling assets, we were the buyers. In the last downturn over the past 5 years, the same thing happened. Projects all of a sudden became available, valuations got reasonable, and we took advantage of that again, going out and buying or about to buy the Snowstorm project from Paulson and Company, the hedge fund guys in New York.
Right.
And we also bought a company last year called Snip Gold, which gives us another project in pretty close proximity to KSM.
Rudi, what are your thoughts on the gold price right now? Where do you see it headed?
I'm bullish. Our shareholder base is bullish. People own Seabridge because of the concept of leverage to the gold price. We only have 54 million shares outstanding. Between KSM and Courageous Lake, we have 45 million ounces of proven and probable gold reserves within a total resource of above 100 million ounces now. So in terms of ounces per share, nobody in the industry comes close to us. So our shareholder base tends to be bullish on gold. If you want exposure to higher gold prices, this is probably the best stock to own. If you look at our track record relative to other gold companies in a rising gold market, we definitely outperform. With that said, I think the gold price is now moving in the right direction again after 5 years of a tough market. And our view is that not only will gold take out its all-time highs of 1900, but it's going to go substantially higher above that.
Rudi, thanks so much for stopping by. Rudi Fronk.
My pleasure.
Seabridge Gold. And thank you for watching our coverage here from Gold Stock Analyst Day. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com.